Happy Thanksgiving. Gonna back this a week's worth of data and post this on YouTube. Alright, this is Monday. Actually, I'm not even on even at 30th. Let me quick hop there. 6, 7, 9 o'clock. 30. Cool. Cool. Not have any news today. We just have this new week opening gap from overnight. We opened like there's still a gap. I'll be bearish until we fill this gap. Little new week opening gap. Smaller, but we're already delivering from this 15-minute gap. Let's just trade higher. Make it easy. Get a nice little resweep. Finally have ES off on it. So we are running. We just ran almost all of this buy side. Check the 4 hours. There's all this buy side. We're still trading inside this hourly gap. 5-minute gap here. Alright, if this fails, this will be like a super good long and short down this unfilled 5-minute. But now we're in this unfilled 5-minute. I could use this as an inversion, right? Because I'm still bearish lower. Let's see. Hey. Oh, give me 1 more minute. Oh my lord. Just straight ripped it. No even opportunity. Like we close here. That's my entry. I can go break even as soon as we start filling new week opening gap. Yeah, there you go. Super easy draw. This new week opening gap to be bearish to deliver from this 15-minute gap. Of that 4-hour high. Held the 4-hour bearish gap. Kind of just no entries here. We'll just look to target this low here. See if we can make a 5-minute trade back up into it. No opportunity though there. Kind of scuffed. That's okay. And we're super close to that low. We either get a pullback, and then short to the slow, take the slow, make model higher. I looking forgot how long a week is, so might just do a few days. Okay, there's that low, super extended. Gives us an opportunity to potentially catch a mechanical model. No entries to the first 5-minute. For this 5-minute in general. We're gonna make this 15-minute super small. But let's see. And we don't make this 15-minute gap. Now it's really just this 5-minute inversion. If we rip through this 5-minute inversion and look to break even here, we'll target buy side. These buy side levels. We just tapped into a 5-minute gap. We are respecting it. Okay, yeah, held this 5-minute gap. This looks good. We can get an entry. 3 minutes. It's not a 3 minutes, just a gap that closes 1 more minute. Hopefully we can close a little higher and not rip. Of course. It's like this 1-minute entry is perfect, but I trade highest time frame inversion, which is 2-minute. So my thing would have looked like this. Then I won here. I had to go break even at this high here and see if it gives you it, and it gives. Alright, unfortunate. We still have this 5-minute gap I can still play off of. Let's see. Close. 3, 4, 5. Nothing. Not gonna make a 15 minutes. Still holding that 5-minute. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. See if this 5-minute gets ripped through. Other than that, I can do. So we rip through this 5-minute. And no close there. Alright, here's a close. To be honest, still like this high here. I could be break even here. I'm just gonna kind of play around. To be honest, I wouldn't want us to see us come back to this low here. So if we can grab up into this high, this is where I will go break even. Yeah, fill the weak opening gap. Now we have some bullish order flow. Trendlining higher, closing above old highs, respecting lower time frame periods like the 5-minute value gap. But yeah, I wouldn't want to see us return to these lows. Nice and generate liquidity here. Maybe we go snag. I would want to see us continue. So let's take this 5-minute. You're on the 1-minute gap. Kind of spam through this fast. Chapter 11 here. Let's see. And remember, my entries happen before 11, and this happens at 10:50 inside the macro here. All right, valid entry. Looks like it's just going to be a very slow burner. So we take the slow, no displacement, which is nice. Good projection. Really just want to see, of course, candle closure above its highs. So this is just a longer trade. We're going to be I'll be holding this definitely through lunch. Let's see. Actually, I don't know why I'm not clicking through 5 minutes at a time. There we go. All right, there's this high. I'll go break even here. And very slow burner. Whoa. Okay. Okay, at 4 o'clock. All right. This is 4 o'clock, by the way. So the trader already have been closed by now. But because you can't hold the trade past 4, depending on the firm. Alpha's 420. So you just close your thing and profit. Really. So not much I can do there. Just gonna close the position where it's at now. So for a win. So we hit break even around 240. Again, get it in a little more of chop. Get a bit of a retracement. Edge it. But yeah. Okay, so still W. I'm gonna take my profits and go. But next time I'll do the. I'll start skipping 5 minutes. I don't know why I was doing 1 minute time, but it's fine. Okay, we'll head over to the next day. Do we have news? We do have news at 10, so I'm gonna skip 30 minutes here. Okay. See what we're up to. Here's the weekly. Oh, we're at all-time highs. We're at all-time highs. We're at all-time highs with the S here. So this buy side, let's be bullish too. See if we can get a short opportunity back higher. NQ still far, but ES is already at all-time highs. Like this is ES's all-time high. So we'll just continue to be bullish. Look for a good opportunity. Here is 10 a.m. We just take that. Nice. Put a miniature data low, but I'm really just going to look for a long opportunity. Potential 15-minute. Actually, this could be like a really good mechanical model. Here's an unfilled 5-minute. See if we can get the same position and price here. Okay, this is good. This will be really good. Let's boost it in it. This next inversion here, highest time frame, probably 3. We're gonna make another 5. So I'm gonna look for the exact same signature. Here, just dumping. Alright. Again, ES is at all-time highs. I'm not gonna fade. ES is all-time highs, so I'm just gonna catch my back model as we continue to fall. And wait for manipulation, but only 5 more minutes left in this leg, and at 11 o'clock, I wouldn't trade nothing. So just dumped the whole day. You know, keep your hands in your lap. Nothing you can do. So we do have 8:30 news or 8:50. Perfect. They have a data low on both indices, so that will be my target. Data lows, data highs. Normal wicks made from Ripple News. So I'm going to just target that. Hopefully we don't just rip right to the data low. Let's see. It is not clicking forward. instantly just took that data low, but we did put in a nice little 930 high. Accumulation, right? Accumulation zone highs we can target here. Let's see. Next candle is just an insta print to that 930 high, these accumulations. That would have been cool if we had manipulated higher, took out these inversions. Here's this 4 hour, we just swapped out these 4 hour lows. Like the daily, that was previous day's low, and also a daily intermediate trend low. So this looks good to catch longs from. 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute make here. I mean, this fails in the next. Okay. 3, 4. Just gonna keep watch of this 5 minute gap. Okay. Yeah, this doesn't look terrible. Again, that intermediate term low is taken, and also previous day's low. Now we got some good buy side here, here, here. That ES has not taken either. As far as like, so yeah, I like this. I'm gonna go break even at the here. 5 minutes stops is here. 2, 3. That's an unfull 3 minute. I would definitely want to give that some to throw on and come down there and cook. Yeah, just gonna see if we can displace fast, but I'm gonna go break even at these highs here. Alright, break even there. These highs. Just a break even trade. Maybe could have held on to that until this buy side. But let's see. Let's see if we had made like a 5 minute gap here that I'd paying attention. No. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I could have held a little longer too. I like that we were spacing fast at first. But yeah, that's fine. Let that unfill. We just have the 3 minutes. Potentially opportunities later. And we are just hopping around. Not even a news day, or no, like no news day. It's just really slow. Like, yes, this looks terrible. This is definitely something you want to try and avoid. Here we go. That's fine. I mean, ES just wants to pop like randomly. After even we didn't even hold this through gap or take these lows down here. So 1027 here. Manipulation, beautiful. Take everyone out of that. But oh, ES ripped and took this high here. So SMT there. Wait, this would have been like a nice little decent short. Get to be break even a little sooner here, like already. Because of that SMT, right? SMT, and now what can you target? Right, these lows, this internal low, and the sell side here. Maybe a pullback though. See if we can get a pullback. Take a 5 minute, get a pullback. Yeah, like ES is just giving me. I mean, ES made that 5 minute, but anything. All right, we're not getting that pullback. There you go. Maybe like some equal lows, some equal lows. No, just more sell side here. This 5 minute has to hold. Oh, and it's 11 a.m. Let me quick see if we just fly through the 4. Okay, this is after 11, but it would look, the setup would look like this. Let's see if it saves me. It being post 11. But the setup I was looking for, we pull back into a 5 minute. We respect the 5 minute. We take the next highest time frame inversion over here. Saves me, and it saves me. Nice. So just wait for it. But again, once you're outside of your conditions, head up. So only taking one trade. First day was a win. Second day, no trade. And next day, no trade. Just that little forward test. Right, next day, we're on the 4th day now, so that's fine. finish out the week. Okay. We do have 10 a.m. news once again, so I will skip the 13 minutes and do analysis from there. Oh, we just saw previous stays low, but it's a nice sell side here, which is a lot further. But I think I'm just gonna target sell side again, and yeah, target the sell. There's an S&P good this, but there's still exact. And then what do we see? Right, high time frame. We just ripped through these 4-hour gap. I mean, these daily gaps. We're respecting this 4-hour gap. And this 5 minutes gonna close here. This actually looks so good just to take before news drops. Like if news wasn't present here, right? We took out all this buy side and we're inversing this 5-minute gap, so I can target these sell sides, be break even, and then eventually get down to those lows. Let's see. See if we're just gonna end up trading higher because right here is 10 a.m. news. We're gonna put in this data high here. Let's see if we can want to go and sweep this, and then look for an inversion, then lower. If we're just gonna sweep that data high. All right. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, 5 minutes going. See, that's like the only trick here. Again, it's hindsight for a run after the setup, but the draw is the draw here in this case. Okay, let's make this 5 minute. Then we have the data high. So I'm just gonna wait until we maybe check out these lows, or we just go for this data high real quick. Nice. Maybe an SMT at this data high. No SMT. Not gonna do anything. Okay. Nice. Still 5 minute here. Okay, so there's that data high. I really want to see if we're just going to. I'm gonna go for this. Again, so this, depending on, I just quickly want to see something real quick. So the trade would have been like this, stops here, and you would have successfully hit a 1-1 there, and been break even. Use your poison at the close, but for 10 a.m. news, nothing I can do about it. So let's see if we're just gonna sweep this buy side out. We're gonna make another 1 minute gap. Okay, there's that buy. There's that buy side, and we have a 15-minute gap to target. We have an unfilled 15-minute gap to target. It is 10:59. So yeah, that's unfortunate. But no, I'm not gonna take gaps because I like the resting here on ES that we haven't taken yet. Let's see. Filling an imbalance in price. Looking for lower. It's 11 a.m. We're gonna go off to the next day, last day. Only traded once, 1-0 on the week, and we have this data high from 8:30 news. So bullish to that data high. This 5 minute is delivering us, but all right, A+ setup, easy conditions. We trade into this 15-minute gap. It is. Are we gonna get an entry? Are we getting an opportunity? It's kind of really good re-enter in this 5 minute. Nice. Let's trade lower. Closes here. Yeah, this is really good displacement. One more. Even more displacement. 3 minutes. Stops at the bodies here. I'm gonna target a 1-to-1 here. And I'm not gonna go break even this early. I like this room to run. If we can like get make a new swing there, break even then. But yeah, this is really nice displacement. We're using the 15 minutes to support us higher. We have a strong draw on liquidity, being this data high, and we're ripping through this 3 minute. So I like this. Let's see. Nice, beautiful. I will be break even there. Data high is taken. No way. Let's see. Good. Oh. Oh, no way. No way. We go for the resweep. We go for the resweep. 24 ticks away. Wow. Wow. No, I mean 3 minute bodies, right? 3 minute bodies here. Okay, yeah, and then this 5 minute delivered us higher, which gave us the resweep. I mean, I'm going break even there, bro. There's just nothing I'm gonna do here. Is that a high? Yeah, there's some T there as well. Wow, and off that resweep. That's pretty nuts. That is pretty nuts. Still, I mean, all this bias I was taking. That is wow. I'm telling you, that is pretty freaking nuts, man. Again, 3 minute gives you what? Maybe like I mean, there's no entries there. There's no entries on the 3 minute. None of the 4. 3 minutes your only entry. We ripped. We edged the 1-to-1. I don't know how many times, but yeah, nothing more than that. Just freaking edge. Oh yeah, draw liquidity. Okay, I always put the intermediate term low. Either we're gonna fry this 5 minute. See, yeah. All right, I'm gonna target. There's an SMT at the highest, bearish SMT. Going to put stops. We have a 5 minute bearish gap in my favor here. Stops the bodies. I'm gonna try to see if I can get the sell side now. We swept the data. We have swept the data high. Got a resweep. There's an SMT there, and we're ripping now through these 5 minutes to some sell sides here, sell side levels here. Let's see. I'm gonna go break even quicker though. Keep playing. Yeah. I'll go break even if we sweep the sell side here on ES or NQ. Again, we have this 5 minute. We're gonna have a 15 minute in my favor here soon. So beautiful. I'm gonna go break even there at that sell side. I don't want to see any lower, and I just need a 1-to-1. Boom. Beautiful. All right. Data high, super obvious, drawing liquidity. Yeah. Get in off this 3 minute inversion. We get a pullback into the 15 minute gap. Take this 3 minute inversion to displacement. Edges my 1-to-1, but we have an SMT with all of this buy side, and we had that resweep with this data high, and we have a rip through these 5 minute. Then I go break even targeting. So really nice. Traded the whole week 2-0, up almost 2K. This is me creating a 100K account, like simulating an 100K account. Yeah. So almost up 2K, and almost up 2K. It would have just been 2K, but again, the first trade went into like almost 4, so you just close in profit. So, yeah, but up 2K, 2-0, undefeated, and obviously you guys see no hindsight. The draw, calling out the draw and where price wants to go, should go, and flipping my bias in case conditions like this, or just knowing when to flip your bias, not marrying a bias. But yeah, that's the video, boys. Gonna post it.